What happens when you fight against the truth, even when it's right in front of you? This is the story of Abu Lahab, the uncle of the Prophet Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but also his fiercest enemy. When Allah revealed Tabbat Yada Abi Lahab, it was not just history, it was a warning for all who reject truth. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Tabbat Yada Abi Lahabin Watab. May the hands of Abu Lahab be ruined, and ruined is he. Abu Lahab had power, wealth, and status, but he used it to humiliate the Prophet Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He didn't reject Islam because of confusion. He rejected it out of ego. And so Allah exposed him in the Quran by name forever. Ma aghna anhu maluhu wa ma kasab. His wealth and whatever he earned will not benefit him. All the riches he collected, all the pride he carried, none of it could protect him from Allah. Sayasla naron zata lahab. He will burn in a fire of blazing flame. This was a prophecy, and it came true while he was still alive. He lived for years after this surah was revealed. If Islam was false, couldn't he prove it by accepting it? But he never did. Because truth wasn't the problem, his arrogance was. وَامْرَأَتُهُ حَمَّالَةَ الْحَطَبِ. And his wife, the carrier of firewood, she too joined the hatred, spreading lies, fueling the flame. فِي جِيدِهَا حَبْلٌ مِّن مَّسَدٍ. Around her neck is a rope of twisted fiber. The rope she used to carry thorns for the Prophet ﷺ became the symbol of her own punishment. This surah is not just about Abu Lahab, it's about what arrogance does to a soul. It blinds you, it hardens your heart, it makes you fight the very light that came to save you. Take a lesson from his downfall. When the truth comes, don't resist it. Submit, soften, surrender. What legacy do you want to leave? One of truth and sincerity, or of pride and regret? Every time you read this surah, ask yourself, am I listening to truth or resisting it? May Allah protect our hearts from pride and make us among those who are remembered, not by name in a warning, but by deeds in a company of the righteous.